Hello, my esteemed viewers. Welcome back to my honorable channel. Today, I'll be sharing some content with you that you use to earn a passive income from the comfort of your home. Have you have you heard of Fiverr? Fiverr affiliates allow you to earn income whenever you promote their products. And if anyone uses your link to register online, Fiverr is going to pay you for the registration. And also, if that particular person use your link to purchase something, so to purchase any services from Fiverr is going to give you 5% of its commission. And if that person purchases something that is up to $100, Fiverr will give you $100. And subsequently, each time the person purchases anything using your link, they'll give you 10% of the person purchases. So I'm going to teach you how to do this through your phone, so that you will not just be using your phone to chat and any other thing. So quickly pick up your phone. I kind of suggest you should use Chrome. Navigate yourself to the Google and type this very address here, fiberaffiliates.com, or you type affiliates.fiverr.com, so it will bring you to this page. So this page will enable you to sign up. You now quickly go in here on this very first one, which says the account type. Make sure you choose private. So your first name, put in your first name, can be anything. Put in your first name, your last name. So you put in your email. You take your username. You can choose any username of your choice, anything at all, being a nickname or anything. Then you put here, you put your password, confirm your password. In this place, you select your country. If you check in, there's going to be a lot of countries that is going to display there. Here, I see Afghanistan, Ireland, Iceland, Albania, Algeria. So you choose any one of your choice. I'm doing this from Nigeria, so I'm going to choose Nigeria. So I will trace quickly and take Nigeria. You see, as I'm doing this from Nigeria. So English is default. So you put your phone number. If you have a Skype, people, if you don't have, you let it be. So having done all this, you fill in your nest and complete your registration. So having done all this, there will be an email. You receive an email messages to verify your account. You just enter and say verify. I need to verify it. So having done all that, you will have to now log in into your account. If you log into your account, it will bring you an interface. See something of this nature, you close it. If you log into your account, it will bring you an interface like this. So the only reasons why you see unique click 17 here, click 17 here is because this account was just created yesterday. That's why I see some links. But on your own, it's going to bring you an interface like this with everything 0000. Okay, you see this account is new, that's why the commissions is 0. This account have not started earning, but it has been given a link for promotion. So you can see this place, the impression link is 0, the unique link is 17, because just from yesterday evening to this very moment, a lot of people have been clicking because I've shared the business link. You can check here, but your own interface here is everything here is going to be 0, because it's a new account and you just started. So the next thing you're going to do is to fill in your account details. Just fill in your account details. So you navigate yourself to the top right hand corner here and click the menu. If you click the menu, you see marketing tool, right? You see marketing tool. Click on the marketing tool. It will show you this. So if you click on the marketing tool, it will show you default link. On this default and deep link, that is where you are going to earn your link. Okay. Meanwhile, what we want to do now is to checking our account details. So you go to account details here and wait. You see the personal information here, everything is fixed here. So you go to payment details. If you go to payment details, it's going to ask you which of the payments you want to use. Right, which of the payments, because on this place it only accepts two payments, which is the Pioneer payments, Pioneer account and the PayPal account. But in Nigeria here, we hardly secure PayPal account, so you can use your Pioneer account. But in this place I use is PayPal account. So on this very account, you see the account payment currency. In this place, you choose which currency exactly you want. Me, I'm choosing USD. You see a lot of currency, but USD advisable. So my payment method here is PayPal. So the account type. On the account type you are filling in, make sure you choose private. Okay. VAT identification number. Please leave that place vacant. You don't need to touch anything there. And the email. If you use a Pioneer in this place I was written PayPal email, it will be written there Pioneer ID. Then you log in into your Pioneer account, copy the ID and paste it here. But on this occasion I'm using PayPal email, so this is the PayPal email, and you put it. So the payment address, you put the exact payment address that is in your Pioneer or PayPal account. If not, you will not be paid. So, and if you need to add anything, you click edit, because this one has been saved already. You see, I choose USD, VAT, and everything here. The payment address, you see, choose everything here. You can just click on save. If you want to click on save, you must have to put your password again to confirm that yes, it is you really that is kind of improving the account. So that is for the account. If you want to kind of set any other things, you click on the settings. If you want to change your password, you click on this. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'll not be going into all that so that I can save your time, guys. So having done all this, we will now say okay, we will now be looking for how to generate our affiliate link. So on this, you can quickly still go back to the menu, click on the menu, and go to marketing tools. On the marketing tools, you will now count down to default and deep link. Click on the default and deep link. So on the default and deep link, you see a lot of link here: Fiverr CPA, Fiverr hybrid, Fiverr learn, Fiverr business, Fiverr sub affiliate, and workspace. So what you simply do is, since you are for promotion, you are for business here, so you choose the Fiverr business. Having chosen the Fiverr business, so what you simply do, this is your link. So what you simply do is just copy the link. You see, copy to clipboard. Okay, if you copy this link now, how are you going to now start promoting it? Okay, this is what you simply do. You on your during your registration, make sure you select how you're going to promote your link. How are you going to promote your link in the sense that are you having a blog? Are you having a website? Are you going to promote it on social media? But I advise you choose the social media, most especially Facebook, because that's where you can easily get your click from. So having copied your link, you can just quickly go out of here. I'll minimize this now, and go to my Facebook account. So coming to your Facebook account, I suggest or I advise you engage yourself in some groups on Facebook. If you are in any group, make sure you advertise it there. You'll see a lot of groups that are looking for solutions. Now let me check one of those groups that I'm inside. Maybe there is this Facebook's ads and funnel master. You see, you can come into this place and make your post and say, hi everyone, are you looking for a solution? Let's say, hi everyone, are you looking for a solution? Are you looking for a solution? Or are you looking for a lasting solution to your let's say Facebook business managers ads? Then you are then you are at the right place. You are at the right place. Use the link below to get solutions to your problems. Right? For stop. Then you come to this place and put a link. See? Is it done? And click it. Now it's uploading. Now you see what happens here. You see? It's from Fiverr. So whenever anybody just click on this your link, it will take that person directly to where? To the Fiverr business. If you take that person to the Fiverr business and that person make any registrations on this line and purchases anything, Fiverr is going to give you a commission. If that person purchases anything that worth up to $100, Fiverr is going to give you $100. And subsequently, if that person purchases anything on that website using your link, Fiverr is going to give you 10% of any transaction the person's made. So we can still go back there, and if you review down, you see this person. Hi guys, Mike here. I'm excited to be part of this group. I have been looking for. Okay, you go through, read, and look for whosoever is looking for a solution. Then you paste your link to that person. So one way or the other, you get a customer. So any business owners do social media marketing themselves, and which you faced, or you see anything of this nature, you can just say get the best solution from the below link. Right? So you paste your link and post it. So subsequently, whenever anyone check on this very link, register with your link, or purchases anything from Fiverr, you're going to earn a commission from the comfort of your home. So we can still go back. So this one says, how do you generate sales for your e-commerce brand? Facebook ads or TikTok ads, which is working better now? You can still come to this person and paste your link and say get the best solution. Get the best solution from the below link. Still paste the link here. Still paste the link here. So in this case, I advise you to join as many groups as you want, so that you can be pasting your link, and you'll be generating link and be promoting your link. You'll be generating link to be generating a lot of income, and you have a lot of people that will use your link. So for any product you promote, Fiverr is going to pay you. This one you don't need to go to anywhere. You only need your phone and the internet connection. and you can see. So having done all this, we can return to our website. So you can see that it's very simple. So we can just click in here. I can just click in here. So if you, this is, let's check out this payment. So if you have money no less than $5, you can request for your payment by using this. Okay, so this one saying you are almost there. Either your account hasn't reached the $100 threshold yet, or you just reached the threshold this month. Once you do, you can make a payment. You see, you can make a payment request when you have $100 in it. So, and if you have any earning at all, this earning reports will show it to you, the commission type and any more and many more. So on this, we'll now go back to our dashboard and see the numbers of click here. Wow, this one has extended to 20. The unique clicks is 19 and the total click is 20. As you can see, if you keep sharing your business link, and people will keep visiting until you get someone who will register with your link and purchases anything. The moment anyone register and purchase something, Fiverr is going to give you $100. If that person purchases anything that is up to $100, Fiverr is going to give you $100 for that. And subsequently, if the customer purchases anything, Fiverr will keep giving you 10% of that person purchases. So if you are enjoying this class and you are kind of understanding this class, please give it a thumbnail. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I drop any video, it will get you immediately. So thank you so much on this class today on Fiverr Affiliates. We're stopping here today. In the subsequent class, we'll be talking about can be an Amazon affiliate and earn money. A lot of us can be saying, okay, I don't have a website, I don't have a channel. Okay, I will share you a link. On that very video, I will discuss something about how to create your YouTube channel and also how to create a blog. A blog is very simple. How you can create a blog and also promote those products on your blog. So thank you so much for being with me. Thanks for being with V Tutorials. And I was please don't forget, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I drop any video concerning how to make a living, how to make money online, it will get to you immediately. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.